guys. No. Hey guys, welcome back to the Brother and Sister channel. So we are trying Cepacol, which are like cough drops. And we tried some earlier. It made your mouth feel tingly. So we're going to try it now. Paige is going to try one.
Different. See if it's different.
Sorry about that. See these little cough drop things?
They're cherry.
I think they're cherry.
They are cherry. Because I saw the package and they were cherry.
Yeah.
Give me one.
It tasted good at first. Okay, film yourself doing it. Okay. Film it. Talk to them too.
Okay.
Guys, she has to talk to you. Tell them.
Okay, fun. But these are like cherry. They're good at first, but now my whole entire tongue is numb.
Okay, now I'm gonna do it. So give me the camera. Okay. Okay. What? Well, here goes nothing.
My whole entire tongue is numb.
It fell. I'm Pennywise. I'm Pennywise. Okay. So, that made my tongue tingling.
I too.
We're gonna keep it in there. We'll tell you when it's been a few minutes.
How about
it's been 2 minutes? And my tongue, I don't like it.
Keep this in for 24 hours.
Well, it didn't last that long. Might, honestly.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
He can go in your mouth. Keeps on falling out, guys. It fell out again.
Give me the camera so I can like film myself.
Yeah. We'll be back in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Okay, so my upper lip.
My upper lip is just like it feels
tingly and numb. As you can see, we've been sucking on it for a while.
Yeah, like the little.
I don't like it.
The design is.
You
gone.
take the camera now.
Oh, that was weird. Ah! It fell out for the first time.
It fell out again.
They're kind of like candy, but it's not. It's not candy. It's not candy. If you try it, it's not candy.
Don't try this at home, kids. Please don't.
Yeah, I don't look like my normal self so much. I don't look like my normal self though. Right, don't we?
Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. Give me the camera now. Hey guys.
My tongue.
This is disgusting.
It's good at first.
For the first 2 seconds. It's disgusting, guys.
I just want to spit it out in our trash can we have.
Gross. Don't ever try Cepacol, the cherry kind. I've never tried any other kind, but
probably
the cherry
strawberry.
The cherry kind is the worst. Okay, hang on. How about we make this video? Who spits it out first loses.
Yeah.
But if it accidentally falls out, that's okay. But if you like go, ugh. It's disgusting. Oh, it fell. Hit.
Did you purposely?
Basil. No. No. I can't do it, guys. See you for the next video. Bye.